that the UP elections is something that is on the mind of the Prime Minister as well. Once again, where we are standing, we've seen at least two dignitaries go in. Initially, it was Mahendranath Pandey, the Heavy Industries Minister. Secondly, you have also seen Anandiben Patel, the Governor of Uttar Pradesh.
Mohit, I'm just going to come in.
The dignitaries have started to make their way.
Mohit, I'm just going to come in, and the reason why I'm coming in is that the Prime Minister, Mohit, I'm sorry to interrupt you, but the reason I'm coming in is because, there's so much live visuals coming in. We are all spread out in various corners of the Kashi Vishwanath corridor. But, so I'll make our viewers understand, the work is incomplete right now. So the Prime Minister took that holy dip at the Lalita Ghat. When the project is complete, viewers, the Lalita Ghat will connect to the Sanctum Sanctorium. The corridor will lead up all the way to the Kashi Vishwanath temple, but not yet. That work is incomplete. So the Prime Minister from the Ghat had to get into a car again, and he was escorted. He was in the car. He was driven all the way now to the corridor. Now he's reaching the Kashi Vishwanath corridor from the roadside. So he took that dip. Once the project is complete, it will link the Ghat, so he could have actually walked all the way to the Kashi Vishwanath temple. But because the corridor is not complete yet, the entire stairway connecting the Ghat to the Kashi Vishwanath temple corridor is not complete. So he got into a car, he drove all the way, he was escorted, by road to the temple corridor complex, and that is where the Prime Minister is. So he took that dip, changed his clothes, and now through the road route has entered the Kashi Vishwanath corridor complex. Mohit, if you're still with me, I'm sorry I interrupted you, but the Prime Minister right now is in the complex. He, of course, will be inspecting the entire corridor. It's huge. It's 5,000 hectares, which comes up to about 5 lakh square foot. It has museums, it has cafeterias, it has amphitheaters, it has parapets, what I think is quite lovely. Parapets to just relax, to meditate if you can, which is enviable. And, at one side you'll have the view of the temple, on the other side you'll have the view of the Ganga. It also has a massive green cover as well. You were taking us, Mohit, through the guest list. I believe 3,000 seers. We just saw Sri Ravi Shankar. He actually was stopped by the SPG, so he's made his way on foot. But tell us more. 3,000, seers, chief ministers of all BJP-run states. Thousands of invites have gone out. Give us the invitee.
Well, like you were saying, Preeti, all the chief ministers of the BJP-ruled states are going to be here. So whether we talk about, Himachal, whether we talk about Uttarakhand, whether we talk about Goa, Gujarat, all of those state CMs are going to be there. Whether we talk about Karnataka, whether we talk about, other states, including the deputy chief ministers, mind you, from Bihar and Nagaland, those are also going to be here. They are also going to be here, I beg your pardon. On the other hand, we've just seen go in, the Union Minister for Heavy Industries. You have Mahendranath Pandey, who's gone inside right in front of us. You also saw Keshav Prasad Maurya go inside. And on the other hand, we also saw Anandiben Patel, the Governor, also go in. So the guest list is quite strong, safe to say here. And, you spoke about how seers and priests and mahants have also been called in. And, of course, about 3,000 of them have been called in as special invitees. And it's not just restricted to these special invitees. There have been several singers, there have been several VVIPs that have also been called in who are known to sing religious songs or devotional songs. All of them have been called in. And more importantly, going back to several of the conversations that we've had yesterday and today, Anup Jalota, somebody with whom Aishwarya, our colleague, also spoke to, he's also here. The playback singer from Bollywood, Parthiv Gohil, and others like them are also here. So clearly, the guest list is quite strong, to safe to speak. And on the other hand, you have the other local dignitaries also who've been called in here. Several of them are from the BJP cadre as well. Others are especially the mahants. And special arrangements have also been made inside. If you look at it, there have been special roles and nagaras and dambrus that have been called in order to ensure that this inauguration registers itself out there.
Okay. Mohit, I seem to have lost you. I'll ask my camera person to actually, finally they've got the screen going. I don't know if the visual will come in. but it's being displayed across all districts. So screens have been put in. Screens have actually been put in. The Prime Minister walking into the Kashi Vishwanath temple there. This is a mega screen that has been put at the Dashashwamedh Ghat. There are multiple screens on each of these ghats that are playing out and beaming visuals live. The Prime Minister also took, a circle, of the Nandi there. And, yesterday I met the priest who sits by the Nandi Ghat, and he said that all he wanted to do was meet the Prime Minister. I really do hope he's been able to do so. But this is the latest that is coming in. Screens have been now finally set up. Preparations on for the evening at the Dashashwamedh Ghat, because from there, viewers, the Prime Minister is going to take a bit of a break in terms of he's going to talk elections. From this, and then in the evening, after that, of course, he's done with the Kashi Vishwanath corridor. He's going to take a bit of a break. Then he's going to come back here in the evening, and decorations have already started. And he's going to come here. I'll ask my camera person Hitesh to show you how decorations are being put up right now, because the Prime Minister is going to be here in the evening alongside the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh, the Chief Ministers of all BJP-run states, and the Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath with his cabinet. They will be here on a cruise ship to witness the Ganga Aarti, which is iconic to the ghats of Varanasi, and it's most famous at this very ghat, the Dashashwamedh Ghat. So what you can see is decorations being put up. There is the screen there, which is beaming out visuals from the Kashi Vishwanath corridor. A lot of people, a lot of tourists who wanted to get a glimpse of the Prime Minister right now just looking up at the screen which has been put up. The locals who've been waiting to get a gist of what's going on, tuning in to the live coverage of the Prime Minister inaugurating the Kashi Vishwanath corridor. I have never quite seen so many flowers at the Dashashwamedh Ghat. It's going to be decked up to the hilt this evening as the Prime Minister witnesses the Aarti. The Prime Minister, it seems now, I'll go back to my colleague Mohit. It seems, Mohit, the Prime Minister is going to stick to that auspicious time. It is going to be between 1:30 to 2 p.m. that the Prime Minister will look at inaugurating the Kashi Vishwanath corridor. Right now, making his way through the corridor, inspecting it. He has a kalash in his hand, loaded with symbolism, religious, spiritual, political, environmental, because he did give that message out, when he took that dip in the river Ganga, that I am doing it, so can you. The Ganga is cleaner. This Kalash, viewers, carries the waters of the holy river Ganga. He took a dip. He collected the waters, and from here he's carrying it all the way to the Kashi Vishwanath temple, and that is where he will offer the water at the temple there. A lot of artists gathered. There are a lot of troops that have come in. I have met troops that have actually come in from all the way Gujarat. I want to cut across back to my colleague Mohit, who's joining us for more. Mohit, you've been talking to the kind of artists that have been flown from across the country to mark the inauguration of the Prime Minister's dream project.
Preeti, and I would just like to add, since the day has been full of surprises, right from the Prime Minister taking that holy dip into the river Ganga, to him, coming via road in his own vehicle to this very spot, to Kal Bhairav temple as well. So all of that has been done by the Prime Minister, and it has taken us all by sort of a surprise. And I would not be surprised if the Prime Minister once again gives us another one of those, big short pictures in which he would be whispering in the god Nandi's ears as well. And now this happens to be another folklore as well, that in order to get perhaps a wish fulfilled by Shiva, you need to whisper the same in the god Nandi's ears as well. Something that could very well be possible or be seen here as well. So this is something that is possible, and perhaps the Prime Minister could be seen doing a bit later as well. But as
मुकुट पे